Hi, I'm Varsha and you're watching this video from justtutors.com. And in this video, we are going to learn about proportion. So, before moving ahead, we are going to first try the warm-up questions for that. Here are the questions for you. So, to try the question, you can pause the video. So, basically, in these two questions, you need to use multiplication. So, the answer for these two questions is 120 and 36. Now we move ahead and we are going to learn what exactly proportion means. So, whenever two ratios are equal, that is proportion. And to represent proportion, we use a symbol in mathematics which is like this. These four dots represent proportion in mathematics. So now say in a class 5th, the ratio of girls to boys is 2:4, and for class 6, the ratio of girls to boys is 4:8. So what do you think? Both of these ratios are in proportion or not? So I would like to tell you, yes, they are in proportion. And you know why? Because the simplest form of both the ratio is 1:2 and 1:2, which is 1:2 here and 1:2 here as well. That's why these two ratios are in proportion. Now we move ahead and we are going to discuss how to write this proportion. So as for class 5th, the ratio is 2:4, and for class 6, the ratio is 4:8. So we can write it in two ways. Either we can write it like this, as they are same and they are equal as well, or we can write it with the sign of ratio, and as you have learned, we write ratio by using four dots and then we'll write it like this. So this is the way we represent proportion in mathematics. Now we move ahead and now we are going to learn about the extreme and the middle terms in proportion. So the numbers at the right hand side, extreme right, and the number at the extreme left. These two are extreme terms. And the numbers in the middle, these two are middle terms. So A times B is same as B times C. This is what the proportion says to us, that A is same as A times C is same as B times C. This is because we can write proportion in the form of ratio as well, like this. So then we cross multiply the terms. This gives A cross D is same as C cross B. Or we can say the multiplication of two extreme numbers is same as multiplication of two middle numbers. Now here's a practice question for you. To try the question, you can pause the video. So the answer of this question is the value of x is 60. You can try this question. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.